Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. You are watching channel Browse You. I'm Ruksora.
And I'm Holly.
So today is Perfect Monday and today we're gonna keep on going our lessons. Today the weather is not really good because it's raining outside.
But yesterday was a very sunny day. It was cool.
So today is not a really good day. It's raining, it's a little bit cold. It's okay because we're not outside. So let's continue our lesson.
This is my book for the reading. The name of the book is Scary the Cat. Is Scary the Cat. Scary the cat chased the mouse. So this is cat and this is mouse. The mouse chased Scary the cat. Scary the cat chased the rabbit. The rabbit chased the Scary the cat. Scary the cat chased the spider. So here's the spider. Here's the web of the spider, and here's the scary cat chasing. The spider chased the Scary the cat. So here's the spider chasing the Scary the cat. Scary the cat chased the bird. So here's the scary cat running and chasing, and here's the blue bird. The bird chased Scary the cat. I am scared, said the Scary the cat, because mouse, bird, rabbit and bird and mouse and spider here is chasing the cat. So that why cat is scared. Let's go to the next one. Don't be scared of me, said the bluebird. Don't be scared of me, said the spider. So here's the spider and here's the scary cat sitting. Don't be scared of me, said the rabbit. So here's the rabbit and she is smiling and she said, don't be scared of me. Don't be scared of me, said the mouse. So here's the mouse. Is smiling. Don't be scared of me, said the Scary the cat. So here's all of them saying, don't be scared of me. Those scary and cat saying, don't be scared of me. They're all hugging her. The end. Now I'm gonna do my homework. So this is my math. And this is my homework for today. Identify, name, and describe spheres. Identify the objects that are shaped like a sphere. So we have to identify what shape is sphere. Then we have to mark them with X. So what does sphere mean? Sphere is something like a round, like a ball. So each row we see something that looks like a square. Let me show you. This is a sphere, this is a sphere, this is a sphere. So we have to mark them X. 1, 2, 3. Now we're gonna do next page. Again, we're gonna discuss about shapes and figures. So, number 1, which shape is a sphere? Mark an X on the sphere. Let's go to lesson number 1. So, this is a sphere. So we have to put X on it. Which shape is a square? Color the square. So this is a square. So we should color it. How many school buses are there? Write the number. So let's count how many school buses are there. So we got the number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's 6. So this is Pop. We have to follow the Pop. So this is Pop and Olive. So we have to go through these pictures. So if there's O sound, we should circle them. Frog. I hear in the middle, so I should circle it. The next thing is log. I hear it at the middle, so we should circle. The third step is rock. So rock. It is O. Sock. So I hear it. It is in middle. Sock. Then fifth, fox. I hear it at the middle. These are the middles, I'm thinking. So next thing, bog. I hear it in the middle. How about this? Pond. I hear it at the middle. So these guys should go in this picture because this picture don't give O sounds. So let me do next page. So on this page we see letter O, so we have to trace the letter O. So at this line, we have to do the O. Start from here to there. And this small O So same thing, we have to do O, but small O. What is this? This is an octopus. That's how you spell it. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. Okay, guys, so we have done our small exercise. Let's read what we need to do with octopus. Name and trace and print the letter O. And O. Color each space that has an O or green. We have to find O letters and color them with the green color. Color the spaces that has other letter blue. So O will be green and the other letter will be blue. So these O's I have to mark with the green. So I have done all with the green. So let's found other letters and mark them blue. So we have 5 letters which are not O. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to circle it. So that's the end of my homework. Now it's Ruksora's turn.
So let's continue our lesson. I'm going to start from math. First grades. So it's math word problems. So let me do it on my board.
It's not board.
It's my board. So this is our math word problems. Okay, now let's play with these numbers. Let me read. Number 5. Smart Alec needs help filling in the missing numbers. Use the numbers in the treasure chest. Fill in the missing numbers. So they just showed you after 5, what does it come? After 5, 6 comes. So you put 6. And then after 6, it comes 7. So 5, 6, 7. That's how we're gonna do this. And we need to take some out of the box too. Here's our numbers, 5 and 7. In the middle, it needs to be 6 because when you count, they need to match. 5, 6, and then 7. So 6 is in the middle. That's why you need to put 6. Number 2, 12. After 12 comes 13. So we need to put 13 here. And then after 13, 14 comes. So here's our 13. Because between 12 and 14 comes 13. So number 3. Let's go to number 3. 18, 19. After 19 let's get our brain first working. After 19 comes 20. So 18, 19, 20. Next one, number 4. We have 15 and 16, but what comes before 15? It's 14, so we write the number 14. Here's our number. Now number 5. We have 14 and 15. What comes before 14? Before 14, 13 comes. So here we did 14 and there's 15, 13. Look at number 2 now. Here we have 13 and 14. 13 and 14. 13 comes before 14. 13 comes before 14. So number 6. We know it's 17, 18, 19. Because look at number 3. 18, 19. After 8 comes 19. After 18 comes 19. So after 18 needs to come 19. Number 7. In this example, we need to find 2 numbers. So first, we need to figure out what comes before 11, and then we're going to figure out what comes before that number. So before 11 comes 10. And before that 10 number comes 9. Here's our numbers. Let's count them. 9, 10, 11. Same method we have to do for number 8. Before 17 comes 16. So let's write it. So now let's see what comes before 16, our number. Before 16 comes 15. And when you say the numbers, it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then comes 6. So this is our math. So we're still continuing math. Let's read it. Gold coin count. Use the number line to solve the problem below. Smart Alec needs to find groups of 20 gold coins. Alicia is helping him. When you add Alicia's and Smart Alec coins, they add up to 20. Fill in the missing numbers on the chart. This column is Smart Alec. This column is Alicia's. And this column is the total number. So let me show you an example. Smart Alec has 11 coins. Alicia has 9 coins. 11 plus 9 equals 20. So we need to find the missing numbers that equal to 20. So let's do it on the board. I have it all up here. 15. 15 is the number. 15 is our number. And then we need to write the missing number to make 20. 15 plus 5 equals 20. Number 7. 7 plus 1 gives us 20. So, 7 plus 13 equals 20. 4 plus what equals 20? 4 plus 16 equals 20. 12 plus what equals 20? 12 plus 8 equals 20. So we built our numbers and they added up to 20. We added Alex and Alicia's coins to make 20. So this is end of our math, of our first grade math. And now we are going to move on to writing. So this is our writing from first grade. We're still continuing it. Let's do a page. Let's do this exercise. Who helped smart Alex? Mr. It's the title. They said it. They started with a capital letter. Jones. It's a name. And they also started with a capital letter. Let's read what they said. Use capital letters for people, name, and titles. I already taught you. When you need to use a capital letter when you're using someone's name. So, for example, I'm Miss Ruksora. Miss, the M should be capital. And when you say Ruksora, R needs to be capital. Let's see if they did it right. And we're gonna write it with the marker. We're gonna trace it. Meet smart Alex teacher, Mrs. Jones. If you say MRS, that means Mrs. And they're helpful and they give us little picture. So let me trace the little. Here I traced it. Mrs. means somebody's wife. She got married. Let's move on to the second one. And they also give us a picture. So this picture shows Mrs. So she is a woman. Let's read the second one. Meet smart Alex coach, Mr. Smith. They put a picture. So this is his coach, and this is smart Alec and his friend. We could have said Mrs. Coach. If you see MR, it's Mr. and that person is a man. So that's why the picture also shows the man. Now let's go to the third one. Meet smart Alec neighbor, Mrs. Kinsey. Kinsey. Mrs. Kinsey. So that's why also the picture shows it's a picture of a woman. And the name of it sounds like a girl. Now let's go to the the fourth one. Meet smart Alex music teacher. It's a music teacher and he's a man. So and it must be Mr. So, meet smart Alex music teacher, Mr. James. We did everything. Now, there was a small thing that they told us. They give us a little thing that we need to, they're gonna see if we got this, if we followed the rules and used capital letters, people's name and titles. So that's what we're gonna try here. It says, write your teacher's name. So my teacher's name is, in first grade, it was Miss McGrath. In second grade, it was Miss Jello and Miss O'Donovan. In third grade, which I'm in third grade, it's Miss Lopez. So I want to do my third grade teacher. She is married. So you put R and S, and it's Mrs. Lopez. She's a better teacher. I like her. She's really nice. So today we'll learn Mr. and Mrs. titles. There are more titles, and we could do them during our next lessons. For example, Miss and Ms. Let's do the other page. So now we're gonna do reading, it's comprehension, and it's still first grades. Let me continue. I want to go to this page, yeah. The title of our story is Smart Alex. So that's the main person in every book, like writing, math, and reading. That's the main person. Smart Alec goes to school every day. He listens to the teacher and always does his homework. Smart Alec works hard in school. He raises his hand and answers questions. He likes to ask questions too. One day, the teacher called him up to the front of the class. She gave Smart Alex a school citizenship award. This award is for being a good student in class and doing all of your homework. You are a very smart mouse, said the teacher. Keep studying, then you will be even smarter. So we read about Smart Alec, and we know a little about him. He's a smart, and that's why they named Smart Alec. And he's a mouse. He goes to school every day. He does his homeworks. Now let's read a little bit. Why is it called a school citizenship award? Do you have to be smart to be a good citizen? Smart Alec asked. If you like, you can call it Smart Alec Award, laughed the teacher. So I already know that Smart Alec is smart, because when you say Smart Alec, you first say smart and then its no name, Alec. So smart, he's smart. Answer these questions. Circle the correct answer. Where does Smart Alec go every day? When we read, let's read it again. Go back to the story every single time when you read. Smart Alec goes to school every day. School, it said school. So that's why we need to bubble B, which is school. Next question. Why did Smart Alec get the award? He studies, he stays home, he plays. When he studies, he gets his mind ready, he does his hardest. He stays home. When you stay home, you don't do nothing, you don't have any work to do. So that B cannot be the answer because you don't study at home. You lay down on the bed, you sleep. Well, you do whatever you want, but B cannot be the answer. Because smart Alec is smart. And I'm sure he studies. He plays. When smart Alec plays, he doesn't study at both the same time. So first, he does his homework and things. He studies. A is the correct answer. The correct answer is he studies. Number 3. What award did smart Alec get? Best student award, school assistantship award, Homeowner Student Award. I don't need to look back at the story because they already told me he was Assistantship Award. So it needs to be B because he was School Assistantship Award. The 4th one. What does the word listens mean in the story? Like when my teacher says, like Miss Lopez, my teacher says, guys, listen up please. She does that. We need to pay attention to what she's saying. If we don't know what to do. That means we don't study, we don't do nothing. So it says pay attention. Ears, good. How could an ear be listen? No. B cannot be. Good. Listen means good. No. Pay attention. Listen means paying attention. So this is it for our Smart Alec book reading comprehension, and this is it for today.
Okay guys, so this is end of our today's lesson.
I hope you learned something new today. If you like our channel, please follow us.
And don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you next time.
Bye!